Today in this video, we will see the usage of as if and as though. Both mean same. We can use either as if or as though. See, where do we use it? As if and as though, they are used to say how somebody or something looks or sounds or feels. He looks as if he is the politician. She looks as if she is a great scholar. This person looks as if he is the principal of the school, like that. As if something. Second, as if and as though are both used to say what a situation seems like. They can refer to something that we think may be true. It looks as if it is going to rain. It looks as if he is sick. It looks as if she is excited, like that. So, that a situation we are talking. It looks as if it is going to rain. It looks as though it is going to rain. It sounds as if Renu is going to change the job. It sounds as though Renu is going to change the job. I am feeling as if I am dying. Some suffocation is there, serious suffocation is there. So, one can say, I am feeling as if I am dying. I am feeling as though I am dying. She was acting as if she was in charge. She was acting as though she was the in charge. She looks as if she is very rich. She looks as if she is from an aristocratic family. She looks she is very rich. She looks as if she is from a very affluent family. He talks as if he is a scholar. He talks as if he knows all languages. He talks as if he is an embodiment of all knowledge. This way. You look as though you know each other. You look as though you know each other. It seems that both of you know each other. So, an onlooker can say, you look as though both of you know each other. Why is he looking at me as though he knew me? He does not know me. Why is he looking at me as if he knew me for a long time? Why is he looking at me as though he knew me for a long time? Anne sounds as though she got cold. Anne appears as if she has got cold. Anne looks haggard, she looks very tired, as if she has got cold. It smells as though someone has been smoking here. It is a kind of surmise, prediction. It smells as though someone has been smoking here. We will see some more example. He looks as if he needs a good rest. He looks very tired. So, it seems as if he needs good rest. She looked as if she had hurt her leg. She is unable to walk. So, it looks as if she has hurt her leg. You can say like that. It looks as if she has hurt her leg. The grass has been cut very neatly and short. So, one can say the grass looks as if it has been just cut. It looks as if the grass has been just cut. He ate as if he had not eaten for weeks. He was eating so much and so fast. So, one can say that it looks as if he has not eaten for a long time. I feel as if I am going to be sick. I am feeling very tired and feverish. So, I feel as if I am going to be sick. She sounded as if she did not want to come. She hesitated to come. So, she sounded as if she is not interested to come. You look as if you have been in a fight. Both of you look as if you are fighting. You look as if you have seen a ghost. So, completely blank, pale. So, you can say, why are you looking like that? As if you have seen a ghost. I feel as if I have run a marathon. I feel so exhausted as if I have run a marathon. It looks as if it is going to rain. It looks as if there has been an accident. There is a lot of crowd and commotion there. So, you can say, oh, it appears that as if there is an accident. He drives as if he were the only driver on the road. He drives so erratic and fast, as if he is the only driver on the road. They treat me as if I was their own son. They treat me so affectionately and lovingly as if I am their son, as though I am their son, like this. So, this is another very important, both of them are connectors we use normally to express this type of intention. So, grammar basically is functional in nature. So, that our functional grammar, that is our structures and sentences we use, should be having variety. It cannot be in the same monotonous routine way. So, that if you want to improve our conversational skills, if you want to improve our style of speaking, we have to bring in all types of connectors and prepositions and other aspects of grammar what we have been dealing with in our day to day communication. So, kindly learn it and let us see some other concept in the next video. Thank you.